MixManager. Raw materials, updated search. In this video, we will show you the updated search function in the raw materials section of MixManager. Open the raw materials section. At the bottom of the window, you will find the search field. Enter any text to search, for example, a name such as acorn. You will get a list of all raw materials that contain acorn in their name. The text can also be located inside the name. For example, if you entered ext, you will get all raw materials that contain ext in their name. The search works across all columns available in the raw materials list. For example, you can enter part of a number and you will get all raw materials that contain a 25 in their number. The same works for the article if we get it in list. If you enter a 25, you will get all raw materials that contain this sequence in their name, number, or article. As you can see, the first raw material has 25 in its name, while the second one has 25 in its number. You can also adjust the search mode. By default, the search works across all columns, but you can switch to a mode where the search works only on the sorted column. To do this, click the button and select Filter by Sorted Column. The search looks only in that column. For example, we can see 200 in a name. If we search for it now, we don't get that raw material, because the search currently works only on the sorted column. But if we sort by the name column, we get all raw materials that contain 200 in their name. This new search function is called filter mode. If you don't like it, you can switch back to the previous option, search. The program will then work the old way. The search runs on the sorted column, simply positioning the marker on the found record without filtering the list.